Okay, now we will make an introduction for this control box. Okay, at the top, the 4 meters control the sending belt. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 for the sending, four pieces sending belt. Okay, the middle area is also for the 8 pieces heights. The first 4 is for milling cutters. The bottom 4 pieces is for the sending belt head. Okay, here also have the symbol cutter. Okay, here is the sending belt. Okay, here is the head selector. X is for the table. Y1 to Y8 is for the 8 pieces height. Okay, this is the feeding rate selector. This is emergency. This is off for the working heads. Okay, the bottom one here is the manual and auto selecting button. Here is the reset button, start button, pause button, and this plus and minus is for the feeding. For example, we can select X for the table, for the working table feeding, or Y1 to Y8 for the cutters or sending belt. Okay, after we select one, we select Y1, we can press plus and minus to feed forward or feed backward. Okay, now we will make a showing. Firstly, we can select when the start button is shining. Shining, it means in the auto version we can change into manual. We can turn this button to select the manual version. Okay, this LED will be shut down. Okay, now we will select X for the table. Okay, we can change into a slower speed, for example 30%. Okay, now we can press the plus and minus button to control the table feeding forward and feeding backward. Okay, we can make a try. We can feed forward. Okay, we press the minus button to feed backward. Okay, now it go back to the home position for the table. Okay, we can change into Y1. Okay, Y1 is the first milling height. Y1. Okay, we can check here. This height is Y1. This milling height is Y2. We can check here Y2. Okay, this one is Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6, Y7, Y8. Okay. Now we make a showing for the Y1. We can select Y1 and press plus button to feed forward. Okay, you can see the milling height is feed forward. Okay, now we can feed backward. Oh, now it is warning. Here is warning. Why? Because the machine has a safety protection. For the table, we don't feed in. So for the milling height, we only can reach here. It will be happen the warning. That means only if the feeding table move forward here, okay, we can have a safe place for the cutter move forward. Okay, so we can make a try again. Okay, how to delete the warning? We will press the reset button. Okay, press reset button, the warning is delete. Okay, now we select the table firstly. Okay, we can feed forward, press this button. Okay, when the table move forward table to before this height, we have the safe place. Then this height can be controlled by manual. Okay, we can try again. Okay, now we can select one. Okay, we press plus to feed forward. Okay, we can see the height feed forward, no problem. Okay, we can press the minus to feed backward. Okay, no problem. Okay, we can select a Y2 and try again. Oh no! The milling cutter stopped and happened warning because there isn't a safety place for the cutter move forward. We can check here. So there isn't a safety space for the cutter move. So it happened warning. Okay. We will delete the warning by reset this button. Okay, and select X. Select X. Okay. We can feed the table more. Okay, now we can select Y2 and press this one. Okay, we can see it's okay now. Okay, this is the maximum travel distance for the Y2 head. Okay, we press the minus button to let it back. Okay, we also can let the table back. Select X and press the minus button. Okay, now we will show how to start the milling cutter and the sanding belt. Okay, firstly we still select the manual one. Okay, this doesn't shining. Select the manual one. That means in the manual version. Okay, we can press the number 1 milling cutter. We can press it. When we touch press this button, it will live. But the cutter doesn't start. How to start the milling cutter or the sanding belt? We need to long press this button. Okay, we can long press this button and see the cutter. It will start it. Yeah. After this cutter starting, how to turn off it? We can press off button. It will be stopped. Okay, now it is stopped. Okay. Also, we can start the sanding belt this way. Okay, long press it. Okay, we can check. We see here. That means this sanding belt is starting. We can make a check. This sanding belt is started, okay? For the sanding speed, we can adjust by this button. We can slow down. Okay, we can speed up. So for the sanding belt, it's better to be 35 Hz. Don't be much bigger. Much bigger, it will increase the duty level for the sanding belt. It will become more hot. Okay, it will increase the wearing for the sanding belt. Okay. Okay, we turn off the sanding belt. We turn it into 0. For the sanding belt, we also can start it or turn on it or turn off it here. If we press the hand button, it will start it. Okay, here, the sanding belt is start. We press off, it will off. Okay. Yes. Okay. Next one, we will make an auto. We can check the auto version. Okay. For the auto version, we need to select a production program in the controller. Okay, here we select the auto button, and for the program selection, we press this button and continue press the program selection. Okay, you can select our program here. Here we can select all files, then it will show all of the unsafe program. We can, for example, we select 1, 2, 3, this program, we press it and press enter. Okay, the program will go here. Okay, for this one, when we press this button, that means the auto stop fans will work. After each production, the auto fans will move forward, waiting for your load new workpiece. Okay, after load the new workpiece, we can press start again. Then we do another production cycle. Okay, now everything is okay. Okay, we will try to start it. Now it already in the auto version because it is shining. Here since we already select the auto version here, so it is shining. The green light means it's ready for work. Okay, now we need select the heads, working heads for production. Okay, for example, I want to select number 1, number 2, number 4, number 3, number 4 milling cutters and the 4 pieces sanding belts for the whole production. Okay, press this one, press this one, this one, this one. Okay, select them all. Okay, now we can select. Okay, now we will press start. It will do the production automatically. We can make start. Okay, the stop fans move forward and stop here. Now we can load the new workpiece. Okay, load the new one and press the start button again. We will do another cycle. Okay, after production, we can press the off button and stop all of them.